Hey there, future entrepreneurs. Welcome back to SSMStories. A comprehensive guide on starting a business with little to no money is the topic we have for you today, and it will change the game. Yes, you read that correctly. It's not always necessary to have a large bankroll to launch a firm. You can establish your own business even on a tight budget with a little ingenuity, perseverance, and the correct methods. Today, we'll discuss the first actions that will put you on the road to a successful business. This video is brimming with insightful advice, whether you're an established businessperson or just getting started. This video is jam-packed with useful tips and examples from the real world to help you launch your business. Everything from advertising your skills to locating those first priceless clients will be covered. Segment 1. Service-Based Industries. We are delving into the realm of service-based enterprises in this section, which is a fantastic opportunity for business people with valuable talents. Let's start by defining a service-based firm. Well, that's exactly what it sounds like. A company that offers services instead of tangible goods. This can include everything from advising to marketing to writing to designing. The appeal of service-based companies is that they frequently need little or no initial money. It all comes down to utilizing your knowledge and experience to provide people with something worthwhile. Let's now discuss the knowledge or abilities you can sell. Consider your areas of strength. Are you a math prodigy? An author? You could have a knack for design. These all have the potential to be profitable. Let's say you have experience writing material. Chose to offer freelance writing services online without any initial money. Attract clients and progressively developed a reputation for providing high-quality material on websites like Upwork and Fiverr, by using a successful content firm with a strong writing staff. So keep in mind that you're already on the proper track to launching your own business if you have a skill that people are in need of. It all comes down to showing off your skills and identifying those who value them. Step 2. Making a product that is in demand. In Step 2, we'll look at a potent strategy for beginning a business without a significant budget by producing a product that people want. This strategy is based on thorough market research and discovering wants or issues that a good or service may address. Market research is the foundation of a successful business. It's essential to comprehend your target market, their problems, and what drives them. Imagine that you've discovered a demand that isn't being satisfied or a gap in the market. Your golden ticket is that you're already halfway to creating a prosperous business by creating a good or service to fill that void. Let's examine a case in point. You have seen a rise in the popularity of sustainable and eco-friendly goods. Recognized a need for fashionable, reusable household goods through rigorous study. That's how your company, Green Living Essentials, is found at this time. In this way, you can create a successful brand called Green Living Essentials. Determining what the market needs can therefore be the driving force behind the success of your business, whether it be a tangible good or a service that addresses a need. Step 3. Having legal knowledge. We get into the specifics of launching a business in this chapter, including comprehending legislation and procedures. Even while it might not be the most glamorous aspect, it is absolutely necessary for a successful endeavor. Let's now discuss the legal ramifications of launching a business. This entails laying the groundwork for your business and making sure it complies with applicable local rules and ordinances. Finding the right legal structure for your company, whether it's a corporation, partnership, or sole proprietorship, is one of the first tasks. Each carries a unique set of legal obligations. Permits, licenses, and registrations come next. These are comparable to the licenses needed for your company to function legally. You may require particular permits to operate your business depending on your sector and area. Though intimidating, don't worry. Resources are frequently available to guide you through this legal maze without breaking the budget. Here are some ideas to think about. Make use of online resources and official websites. Think about seeking advice from a business or legal expert. Look for regional chambers of commerce or business alliances. It's important to keep in mind that understanding and following rules is about more than simply being legal. It's also about laying the groundwork for the expansion and success of your company. Step 4. Professional services. In this section we'll examine professional services, a crucial component of operating a corporation. These are the foundation of any successful business, giving you the assistance and knowledge you need to succeed. Let's get started. The essential professional services that your company might need, including banking, insurance, and accountancy. These services are essential for handling your money, safeguarding your assets, and maintaining compliance. First, banking. For processing transactions, managing your company's finances, and obtaining loans, you need a trustworthy banking partner. Look for banks that provide competitive rates and features that are beneficial to businesses. Then comes insurance. It serves as a safety net, guarding your company against unforeseen circumstances. Take into account coverages including general liability, property insurance, and professional liability insurance, if necessary. Let's now discuss accounting. Any successful firm depends on having accurate financial records. Having an accountant or accounting software can ultimately save you time and money, regardless of whether you're a financial whiz or not. We have finished the first 4 steps of our guide to launching a business on a shoestring budget. You have learned a lot about important facets of entrepreneurship. Our next video will cover 4 more topics and delve into the many business legal structure possibilities. Stay tuned, because every step takes you closer to your dream of owning a thriving enterprise. Till then, please like, share and subscribe to the SSM Stories.